Hi guys, welcome back to the course. Okay, so in this one, right, I'm gonna be teaching you guys on how to buy a domain name. Okay, so basically, you guys can visit www.namecheap.com to buy a domain name for a website. Okay, I'm gonna be demonstrating to you guys on how to do this. Okay, I'm gonna go to the website now. Okay, so this is basically namecheap.com. All right, so down here, right, you can actually buy your domain name. Okay, I'm just gonna search a random domain. Let's say digital. All right. Okay, so down here, right, they will actually show you whether this name is taken up already or not. So you need to check for yourself. Okay, so for example, for this one, right, it's not taken up, so you actually add it to cart. Okay, then for digital.com, it's actually taken, so you actually need to make an offer. All right. So usually, this one you have to wait for until people stop using the domain name, then you can actually gain access to it by buying it afterwards. All right. So this is something that is not recommended, like work online app. Okay, usually people go with .com. All right, people go with .com. So I'm just gonna try another random one. All right, so let's say go little. All right. Okay, you can see down here, right, it's actually available. Okay, so what I do is that you add to cart. Okay, and you view cart. All right. So down here you can actually see you can actually set the number of years that you want to have this domain name for. For example, let's say you want to have a period of like 3 years. Okay, they'll help you set. Okay, you can set to auto renew mode. So when you put your credit card or debit card inside your Namecheap platform, right, account, right, they'll actually auto bill your debit or credit card. All right. Okay, so this is the Whois guard. Okay, basically it's like a privacy protection service that hides your personal info from the Whois database. All right. This is not important because it's actually free. Okay, so for premium DNS, right, I wouldn't recommend this. I think it's not important as well. So you just scroll down. Okay, all these are actually not important. All right, and once you're done with you, I can confirm. Okay, so basically you sign up for an account down here. Afterwards, you can purchase the name already. All right. So this is how you purchase the domain name. Okay, I'll dive into the further more in the next lecture. All right, see you.